Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, and many more. So let's get started. And before I proceed, I would like to apologize for the sunlight from my behind because today I have changed the position of the table. Please don't mind, I'll be changing the position again by tomorrow. Okay, so let's get started. So at first, look at the chart of DXY. I will not be repeating the same stuff because I do not want to bore you. Okay, but yes, as per our calculation and expectation, DXY bounced from the support level and right now trading at 95.90. DXY looks very bullish right now, but keep in mind DXY is sideways. So once it reaches the 96 level, 96.1020 level, DXY will be facing resistance. So be careful of DXY. Do not consider that this is a uptrend, means that is complete trend reversal. DXY is still in sideways zone. Okay, yes, but it has taken support here, and in case there is a fall also in the chart of DXY US dollar, then again this the same level will be working as support. But right now DXY is bullish, and if DXY is bullish, that means that gold will be going down. And this is the chart of gold here. Right now we can see that gold is going down, but if we compare it to the chart of Euro USD, then gold, there is not much selling pressure. Try to understand the market in motion here. Try to understand the market psychology here. If you have watched my Saturday's video where I have discussed on detail about the chart of DXY and gold here, probably you have understood it very well that gold on the higher time frame is very bullish. In fact, everyone is talking that in the next 3 months, gold will be heading towards 1875 to 1900 level. Okay, so gold will be heading towards 1875 and 1900 level. And therefore, gold is bullish. And right now, we can also see that DXY is bullish. But yes, that's why dollar is going down. But if you look at the chart of gold here, okay, do you think that it wants to go down? No, it does not want to go down, because right now buyers are dominating the market. And if we try to understand the market psychology here, we can understand that market has the tendency of going up from here. So yes, if you have a sell position now, then I'll say that yes, you can continue with the sell position. But if you're looking for a fresh position, then I'll suggest you not to take any sell position right now. Why? Because once dollar will start coming down or faces resistance, selling pressure at the resistance, then the US, what I'm saying, gold USD will be going up again. Okay, so for scalping purpose, for day trading purpose, keep in mind if it comes down to a level of 1820 level, if it comes down to a level of 1820 level and bounces, you can take a buy position. Okay, sorry, I do not edit my videos. I do not get time to edit videos, and I also don't know editing. So at 1820 level, if market comes down and bounces, that can be a good buy, because right now when dollar is going up, we can feel that gold does not want to go down. So it can be a good buy if it bounces from 1820 level. Okay, 1820, 18, 18, 18, this particular level zone, if it bounces, it can be a good buy. And on the other hand, if you are a risk taker who loves to take risks, then you can try shorting gold at 1831 level. Okay, just keep in mind that I use the word those who love to take risks. So if you're a new trader, beginner, if you cannot afford to take any risk, then shorting should not be your option right now. Otherwise, be on the trade and be careful. Apart from 1820, 1818 level, okay, though it is not a very safe entry, but you can go for it if you want to take risk. Otherwise, I do not see any proper entry right now, because see, for the sake of entry, I cannot recommend you any bad entry here. Because see, as a trader, okay, as a trader myself, I will not enter in the middle here, here, because this is my money, this is my hard-earned capital. I will not risk it. So now it's your decision whether you want to take the entry or not. One entry that I see is 1820 to 1818 level. And if the market goes up, I think if the market goes up, or if you see some kind of bullishness in the market, then a buy above 1832 also can be a good one. Let's see. I'll be coming down tomorrow again. If you have find the video confusing, then please don't mind, because the chart is not much giving us any proper direction right now. Okay, that's why I am also helpless. Okay, let's see tomorrow where the market takes us. Bye bye, take care.